आज मैं आई हूँ BBPR के ऑफिस में। मैं इंटरव्यू करने आई हूँ हसन रिजवी का। I absolutely love your team.
We can't change their history, but we can help change their future.
So you were creating marketing strategies basically.
In the beginning, I didn't have that big of a scope. मेरा छोटा सा scope था. मैं एक as a account executive गया था. 14,000 रुपए की सैलरी थी मेरी.
तो हम आपको लगता है कि इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे अभी हैं जो स्टैंडर्ड है एक PR का दुनिया में?
We've recently started working in the UAE, Middle East, GCC region, and they are very behind us.
What do you mean by behind? कैसे?
Their strategies are मैं वो
Dated.
10 साल पहले करके फेंक चुका हूँ.
How do you manage and cover up disasters?
मैं अपनी टीम को ये बोलता हूँ कि guys, anything that goes wrong is our problem. I feel I learned the most on that campaign. And that client will learn a lot from me too. When we actually finished that campaign, I kid you not, the toughest of clients have called me and said, Hassan, it was a pleasure.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my show Speakeasy. मैं हूँ आयशा उमर and you are watching 365 News. आज मैं आई हूँ BBPR के ऑफिस में. What is BBPR? It is one of the top PR companies in Pakistan right now. और मैं इंटरव्यू करने आई हूँ हसन रिजवी का, who is the CEO and founder of BBPR. Hassan also happens to be a dear friend of mine. हमने इकट्ठे काम शुरू किया बहुत साल पहले. And when Hassan started out, he was a choreographer. He speaks so well. He's so knowledgeable. He's so wise. He's got such a positive aura around him. और he's so hardworking, disciplined. और उनकी टीम इतना मैं कहती हूँ organized way में काम करती है. So I would love to know what it takes for a PR company to be successful in Pakistan right now. So let's go and speak to Hassan Rizvi. And we are seated with the man himself, Mr. Hassan Rizvi. How are you?
Good, Aisha. Looking good. I love the look, man. I love the look. You always come with a new look, huh? A memorable look.
Thanks, yaar.
You know how to do PR better than I do,
Coming
Aisha.
from you. You know what? इस look के पीछे reasons हैं. I mean, of course, style तो एक reason है कि कुछ हट के करें. I was getting bored of the usual look क्योंकि अब we've done about 55 shows, माशाल्लाह. And हाँ, so I was like, अब क्या करें? And then I also wanted to stop using hairsprays too much.
Good.
तो मैंने कहा कि अब क्या करें कि बालों पे ना sprays भी ना लगाना हो या तो मैं oil लगाऊं. Then I was like, hats पहनना शुरू कर देते हैं. Yeah.
Good decision. I don't think people look at it that way though, because you've always brought so much style to everything you've done.
Thank you.
There are very few of our celebrities that actually make that effort. Whether it's that
Nose
thing you're
chain.
doing or the nose thing you're doing, you always really up the game. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, बाल झड़ रहे हैं, पागल हो रहे हैं, बुड्ढे हो रहे हैं.
नहीं, एक सेकंड. हमने complain नहीं करना. Let's start with things that you're grateful for.
I'm really, to be honest, I mean, I've been very, very blessed. You know, whichever direction God has taken me in has just been a beautiful journey. And you've been part of my journey from the very beginning. And I've been lucky to have friends like you who have supported me from the beginning. You know, I was actually talking to someone the other day. It's those people that were with you in the beginning that you will always remember. The people that are with you now though everyone wants to be with you, right? But those people, the people that supported me in the beginning when I knew nobody, and Anisa auntie in events, Deepak in fashion, Bantu Appa in fashion, you.
Thank you. Anushe.
The entire Indus crew, right?
Yes.
Faizan, you, Anushe, Mahira, Fiha. I think we also grew up together, so there was that support and that family infrastructure. But no, I've been very, very blessed throughout my journey with friends, with family, with work, in all facets of life. Still on this journey to figure out a lot of stuff, but I think that's a journey.
Of course, वो तो journey है. नहीं, लेकिन currently, what are you grateful for right now, today, after ये सारा कुछ जो आपका journey गुजरा है?
Family. Family. I think I look around and I see work will always come and go. Like you said, we have to mark our boundaries.
Yeah.
But I think family, friends, relationships, moments, experiences. So I'm grateful for more experiences than anything else now. I think it's you come to the stage in your life where it's not about money and it's not about work anymore.
No.
It's truly about the moments you create and how will you start to think about how will you be remembered? What legacy will you leave?
Really? How you will be remembered or what you collect in your life? What is more important?
I think both. For me right now, I think I'm at a stage where I want to think about a legacy where I want to leave. And learning. जो आप कह रही है ना what you grab throughout. तो मैंने बहुत लोगों से कुछ चीजें सीखी है. मैंने आपसे बहुत चीजें सीखी हैं.
Thank you.
Guys, ask the right questions, I think. When you're taking a project, right? Any project, and I'm not talking about actor. I'm talking about director, influencer, dancer, artist, singer. Ask the right questions. If you ask the right questions, you'll be better prepared.
That's a really good tip.
You know, when
Really
you're
good
better
advice.
prepared, you know what's going to happen, and then there's a level of excitement, then you can bring your touch to it. You know, and that's why people come to me for work.
Yeah.
Is because they'll brief me, but they know that ये बंदा थोड़ा हट के जवाब देगा. ये बंदा थोड़ा अपना दिमाग लगाएगा. ये बंदा अपना oomph, अपना flair लाएगा. And honestly, we're not robots.
No.
I mean, there's a creativity in us that people have seen that they have liked, or they have admired, or they have some have disliked. You know.
Yes.
And that too
because they want the same thing.
Yeah, and honestly, if we don't break it, we don't break the norm and the same thing again and again, nobody will.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid and do it. And
yeah. अच्छा आपकी team की जहाँ बात कर रहे हैं जब you know we're speaking about how your team feels about me. Let me tell you how I feel about your team, and I've told you this many times. I absolutely love your team.
So do I.
मतलब क्या वो hard working और क्या disciplined लोग हैं. ये कैसे ये आपने इनको ट्रेन किया या ये ट्रेंड आपके पास आ गए और आपने सही लोग हायर कर लिए ये कैसे हुआ क्योंकि ये
बहुत मुश्किल था
हसन बिकॉज देखो ना अब इतने साल हो गए इंडस्ट्री में मैंने हर किस्म के बंदे के साथ काम कर लिया यू नो दैट राइट आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर
5 years
no 20 years
mashallah
So, and I worked with so many teams, चाहे वो PR agencies हों, चाहे वो production houses हों, channels हों. So, हमें पता है कौन किस level पे है, right?
Yeah.
Your team is so professional and they're so punctual and on top of that, they're so तमीज़दार. तो ये क्या rules क्या हैं? क्या है baseline?
So, but there are a few things that are very important to me for work and for reputation. One is, something that I live by is beat them with kindness. And you never know what that person is feeling that day, what the background of that person is, what the mental state of that person is. We can't change their history.
Yeah.
Right? We can't. But we can help change their future.
Yeah.
Right? So this is something because I want people to think a little more long term. And not just my team, but I want other people to think long term. Like I've actually seen people, clients and artists coming back to me and saying, I'm sorry. And we were very aggressive and we were very impractical. Anger took the best of us. But your team showed us otherwise. And that is a win for me.
Unfortunately, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में इन बातों पे नहीं फोकस किया जाता. जो ट्रूथ है.
अब I feel थोड़ा कर रहे हैं.
थोड़ा सा बेहतर हो रहा है. लेकिन जो एक्टर है या जो फ्रंट पर्सन है जिसका फेस आ रहा है उसी के ऊपर सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है हर चीज़ की. एक्सेप्शंस हो गई कुछ प्रोडक्शन कंपनीज और हाउसेस की who
they're really killing
they
it.
really treat their people well.
Yeah.
Right? And we know who they are.
Yeah.
इसीलिए उनका काम सक्सेसफुल है. नजर आता है कि सक्सेसफुल है. अच्छा बाकी लोग एस्पायर करते हैं कि वो करना है लेकिन नहीं कर पाते. ठीक है क्योंकि एथिक्स हैं कुछ जो आपने फॉलो करने होते हैं. And it doesn't take money to do that. It just takes a little bit of discipline organization, motivation and passion.
I agree with you, 100%.
You know?
But Aisha, one thing I do want to say, to add to your point, आपने अभी कहा कि you've been around for 20 years. हमने 20 साल में बहुत changes देखे.
बहुत changes.
अभी I was just having a discussion with a couple of people, Ali Rahman and a few other people.
हाँ.
And मैं बता रहा था, एक लड़का आया मेरे पास कहने लगा, I'm a really big fan of yours and आपका उमैमा वाला डांस मैंने देखा था फलाना ढमकाना, and I said, you know, it was my first drama experience and it was very traumatizing for me because हमने 12 घंटे लेट शूट की थी.
ये कौन सा ड्रामा था?
इश्क जुनून दीवानगी.
Oh,
this is many years ago, like 15 years ago.
I remember.
And it was my first, on-screen sort of a situation, and we started like 12-15 hours later from the call time. और मैं आपकी तरह मुझे जो call time दिया मैं पहुंच गया, मुझे क्या पता, right? तो Ali was saying कि हसन ये अब नहीं हो सकता ड्रामा में, क्योंकि ड्रामा में अब 10 to 10 है, 10 बजे सब पैक करके चले जाएंगे.
अब नहीं हो सकता.
So now actors will not stay beyond 10 o'clock at night.
क्योंकि जो young lot आया है ना, वो they do not stand for this, by the way. मैंने ये देखा है, you know.
Great. It's about time.
It's about time.
Yes.
They do not stand for this.
So वही चीज in the 20 years now, Aisha, because we've lived it, so we don't feel the transitions that have happened over the years. But there's a lot of progress. It's still baby steps.
There's a lot of progress.
It's still baby steps.
There's so much more. I think women feel safer also.
Of course.
Now in the industry.
Aisha, I remember when we did BCW, God knows, 12 years ago, right? उस वक्त आपको कभी याद है कि उसके नीचे हमारे जो हम टीवी पे जो लगे थे उसके नीचे क्या comments थे? They were disgusting. And now you put up a dance video and people are like, wow, amazing, love you, more dance, please.
या critique देते हैं कि ये move नहीं सही थी. They don't talk about your character.
Now people appreciate it. There's a tolerance for it. There's a love for it. There's a fan following for it now.
Yeah.
So now everybody wants to do it. Now all the big actors, all the new actors, everybody wants to dance. I'm just telling you a little change in mindset that's come in our industry that I'm seeing now.
You're talking about the audience.
Yes, I'm talking about the audience.
Audience, of course, mindset में
huge change. Back in the day, it was not acceptable.
No.
हमें अगर मुझे याद है when there was an award show, we had maybe 5 actresses to choose from, who would be, and वही 5
जो
actresses
perform करेंगे.
5 awards पे होते थे, right? Now, mashallah, we have a plethora. Even the actresses who don't know how to dance want to dance.
Yeah.
I'm just being honest, right?
Yeah.
But now we have a lot of talent coming in and a lot of... So, again, because...
Yeah, पता है हसन, लेकिन we have to pat ourselves on the back कि हमने वो time गुजारा, आपने भी.
We must.
जब कितना, when it was so looked down upon, you know, and जब आपने शुरू किया, you were dancing, you were choreographing, क्या criticism face करते थे?
I think at home, let's start at home.
हाँ.
At home, my father was my biggest supporter.
Amazing.
We're both Komal and I. And my mother always put this pressure on us that, okay, you have to have a stable job. You have to, as in bahar bheja, padhaya, likhaya. You got to have a, corporate experience behind it. So, dunya ko to nazar aaya that I was dancing on award shows and I was performing all over the world. But I had a stable job, which I never got leaves on. I was there every day, 9 to 7. I was the first one who came in. I was the last one to leave, always.
So it was going
simultaneously.
ये सब हो रहा था. Amazing.
In the night, I was leading this life of this performer, of this choreographer. And in the day, I was a corporate person.
But you were enjoying doing that as well? या आप force कर रहे थे अपने आप? You loved it, both things.
When I was a data analyst, which was my economics background, that was very boring for me. I could not hack it. After 1 year, I said, listen, this is too much. I was always on the computer, always researching, Excel files. It was a lot of data analytics, which was my expertise, but was not my passion. Then when I moved to marketing in Dawn and Ogilvy is when I was just blown away.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, ये तो creative भी है, crazy भी है. इसमें you need to be innovative, you need to be...
So you were creating marketing strategies, basically.
So in the beginning, I didn't have that big of a scope. मेरा छोटा सा scope था. मैं as a account executive गया था.
क्या करते थे?
14,000 रुपए की salary थी मेरी.
काम क्या था?
So my first 2-3 big clients were BAT, Cadbury, and Castrol. I would get their briefs कि उनका Valentine's Day campaign आने वाला है या उनका कोई ईद का campaign आने वाला है.
Special वो आ रहा है.
So create the visual merchandising for it, create the key visuals for it, I would go to strategy, they would create a strategy. We would create the visuals, the boxes, just boxes जो आते हैं उसकी
packaging, actual physical
boxes
not उस वक्त social media तो इतना बड़ा था नहीं.
Social media was not that big back in the day. Trade में क्या जाएगा, दुकानों में कैसे packaging लगेगी, बड़े दुकानों में बड़े packages जाते हैं, छोटे जाते हैं, उनकी buntings, store brandings, TVCs. I shot my first TVC for Cadbury with Sanam Jung, Danish Taimur.
Cute.
And these guys were all kids. So I found this footage and I shared it with them recently. And they all look like 15-16 saal ke bacche, right? They were like, delete this from your archive.
I know. We're going on a little break. When we come back, we're going to talk about PR. So take a break and come right back. वेलकम बैक टू स्पीक ईजी. मैं हूँ आयशा उमर और आज मैं बैठी हूँ हसन रिजवी के ऑफिस में. इफ़ यू जस्ट ट्यून्ड इन, वी बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टार्ट ऑफ हसन्स जर्नी और अब हम एक्चुअली PR पे आ गए हैं. हसन, व्हेन डिड द PR रेवोल्यूशन कम इन पाकिस्तान? क्योंकि एक वक्त आया जब सब कुछ बदलना शुरू हो गया.
I think when digital came in, and digital came in not too long ago, maybe 10 years ago, where TikTok, अब तो
पहले तो Instagram से शुरू हुए थे ना हम.
पहले तो Facebook, Orchid.
पर लेकिन Facebook और Orchid जो था उसमें आप wide audience को नहीं reach करते थे, अपने friends तक रहते थे.
So Facebook is still the biggest platform in Pakistan, not anywhere else in the world. And right now the fastest growing is TikTok. Instagram is still very, very big for Pakistan. So I think with all of these, and also digital brought a new flavor. जहाँ पहले PR होती थी कि किसी मॉर्निंग शो पे चले गए या किसी टॉक शो पे चले गए या अखबार में कुछ आर्टिकल आ गया, ये होता था ना पहले PR. Now PR is conversational. Now PR is, oh, Aisha, what lipstick are you using? Oh, where did you get it from? Oh, is it looking good on you because of your complexion? Is it looking good on you because of your face cut? Now, girls want to know that. And that's why you are, I think, even bigger than a celebrity is an influencer, because you get to make people's decisions now. You get to say, oh, look, the shirt is so nice. Where did you get it from? And I kid you not, there are going to be hundreds of thousands of millions of girls out there who will want to know where your shirt is from.
और ये जो word influencer है जो हम पिछले I think 5 years से सुन रहे हैं, this came when you stepped into PR after that. How did this change the game?
I feel like we were one of the pioneers in this, and we were very lucky that this was a game that we understood very early on. I think the exposure, the training, I got a lot of training from Singapore, the US.
Achha.
Yeah, I went to these international summits where I was sitting next to General Motor Singapore or Coca-Cola United States, and I was listening to their sessions, and this is what I was telling you, it's so important to keep learning, and it's so important to keep seeing what's happening in the entire world. And I was like, okay, why aren't we doing this in Pakistan? Let's try it. Let's see how it goes. And it blew up. It became a sensation. It became very strategic. It became very exciting. It became very ingrained. It became very emotional. There are a lot of campaigns, and what excited me at first was the good you can do with it, the awareness. I remember I did the special needs campaign, and it probably still is one of my favorite campaigns.
कभी कभार I'm sure in your career it's happened कि कोई client आपके पास, कोई brand आपके पास आया है और उनकी ethics या values या वो what they stand for you don't agree with. हुआ होगा ना कि मुझे I don't agree with showing something like this, for example. And then you have to convince them कि नहीं, ये इस तरह नहीं, ये इस तरह होना चाहिए. Because maybe your ethics and values don't align with them also. So how do you do that, or do you say no? to the brand?
I'll give a twofold answer to this.
Has it happened?
Yes, it has. And have I compromised on my ethics in the past? Yes, I have. I'll be honest.
हम सब ने ये गलती की है.
100%. I'll give you an honest thing. When I was struggling and when I was getting into this and I wanted the clients, I'd bend over backwards. Today, no. Today, there are two things. I'm now been given this position, Allah ka shukr, where I can choose. Number one. Number two, I've also been given that respect in the marketing forums, where if my word carries a certain amount of value, अगर मैं आपको एक recommendation दे रहा हूँ, whatever the strategy may be, whatever the influencer selection may be, मैं कुछ knowledge and data backed आपको वो दे रहा हूँ. You can't argue with data, right?
Absolutely.
So if I am giving you बहुत silly सा एक example दूँ, अगर मैं आपको एक इन्फ्लुएंसर सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ तो मैंने उसका डेटा देखा हुआ है. मुझे पता है कि उसको जो फॉलो कर रहे हैं ना, कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद, मुल्तान, रावलपिंडी में कौन उसको फॉलो कर रहा है. लड़कियां कर रही हैं, लड़के कर रहे हैं, 18 साल के बच्चे कर रहे हैं कि 30 साल के लोग.
बिल्कुल सही है.
Who is following? Is my brand aligned with that? If my brand is aligned with that, who can argue with you?
बिल्कुल.
You cannot argue with data.
No. तो हम आपको लगता है कि इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे अभी हैं जो स्टैंडर्ड है एक पीआर का दुनिया में, वहाँ पे पहुँच रहा है पाकिस्तान या are we
Such
still...
a good question. It's region to region. We've recently started working in the UAE, Middle East, GCC region.
We as in your company?
G.
Wow.
And they are very behind us.
अच्छा.
Very behind us.
What do you mean by behind? कैसे?
Their strategies are so... मैं वो
Dated.
10 साल पहले करके फेंक चुका हूँ.
Dated.
You know, they're showing मुझे एक, I won't take the brand name, but मुझे एक campaign उन्होंने दिखाई कि listen, we wanted your thought on this. And I was like, ये मैं अपने डिटर्जेंट ब्रांड पे 10 साल पहले मैंने किया था, करके हमने छोड़ दिया, हम उससे इवॉल्व होके हम इस स्टेज पे आ गए. And this is where the conversation is at. Your market is more educated than mine, so you should not be here on in my opinion at all. So it's very market based. It's but I feel that we are ahead of many countries in the world. There are some countries that are very ahead of us.
अच्छा Hassan, obviously Hassan, there are disasters everywhere. Last minute mess ups भी हो रहे होते हैं और किस तरह हम कवर करते हैं कुछ चीज़ों को, ये तो हमें पता ही है. The show must always go on. How do you manage and cover up disasters, PR disasters? या तो वो आपकी साइड से भी हो सकते हैं या ब्रांड के अपने internal disasters को आपने cover up करना है.
Of course.
How do you manage that?
With a smile.
Yeah.
With
no
a smile.
I've seen that.
With a smile. Thank you. I mean, I feel like stress, anxiety, freak out करना तो बिल्कुल ही counterproductive है. उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You need to think कि अभी करना क्या है. You need to be composed and you need to figure that out. एक ये चीज़ है. दूसरा, जब भी मैं टीम के या हमारा जो ग्रुप है या जो ऑफिस का फोरम है हमारा, I call ourselves gladiators. It's about this woman and her team and how she is working for the President of the United States and she doesn't even let him find out what is happening in the back.
बिल्कुल सही है.
Whether it's political, whether it's a murder, whether it's a... And it becomes really crazy, right? It becomes very, very intense.
But I get you.
But मैं अपनी टीम को ये बोलता हूँ कि guys, anything that goes wrong is our problem.
Good client care.
Okay, so mashallah, I've been blessed with very good clients. And let me give you some examples of good clients. One good client would be someone who will trust in my ability.
ठीक है. आपके लिए वो good client है.
Right?
ठीक है.
One good client would be that pushes my limits. Okay? So that client will constantly be challenging me. And when they challenge me, I challenge myself. And uska... You know, raat mein when I'm sitting in my bed and I'm about to go to sleep and it's on my mind, I'm like, no, Hassan, let's think of another way to do this. Koi na koi tarika to hai. Where there's a will, there's a way. And sometimes I don't crack it, I'll be honest. And sometimes I crack it and that changes everything for me.
So that's a good client.
That's a good client because that client has challenged me.
And what's a good product? एक तो
good-
वो प्रोडक्ट है ना
okay.
जो सक्सेसफुल है, जो मतलब जो बहुत
I'll give you a good example. A good product would be, मैंने कुछ 10 करोड़ गाने लॉन्च किए in my career.
सही.
अगर गाना अच्छा नहीं है, a PR campaign cannot make it a good song.
चाहे जितने भी पैसे उसमें लग
चाहे
जाए,
आप जितने पैसे लगा दो उस पे,
लेकिन लोगों तक तो पहुंच सकती है वो चीज.
but पसंद नहीं आएगी. It will still be disliked.
So if a really demanding, a very tough client in your eyes, I mean सबकी अपनी एक
Yeah.
criteria होगा कि मेरे लिए एक tough client क्या है, आपको एक बहुत अच्छा product आपके पास लेकर आए, हाँ, but they're a little tough for you to work with. Would you choose that, or would you choose a relatively easier person to work with, easy according to you? अब ये देखो, difficult और easy जो है ना, ये relative terms हैं.
Of course.
कुछ लोगों को difficult अच्छा लगता है, मुझे difficult अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
हाँ, मुझे easy अच्छा नहीं लगता. So
Same.
हाँ,
So my answer would be the same.
तो आप easy के साथ
अगर product अच्छा है, right? If you're launching a product which is good, which you believe in, whether it's a shampoo, whether it's a chocolate, whether it's a biscuit, whether it's a hat, if you're launching a good product, doing the PR of it is my job. I will create magic. Managing the client, I'll manage. चाहे वो जितना मुश्किल client हो, चाहे वो जितना demanding client हो, I feel I learn the most on that campaign. And that client will learn a lot from me too. And when we actually finished that campaign, I kid you not, the toughest of clients have called me and said, Hassan, it was a pleasure.
I think we need to take a break now, Hassan. We can go on talking forever.
Forever and
but
ever.
when we come back, I want to ask you about your favorite campaigns that you ever worked on up till now.
Tough one.
हाँ, सोचो. Take a break. Come right back. Welcome back to Speak Easy on 365 News. मैं हूँ आयशा उमर. मेरे गेस्ट आज हैं हसन रिजवी, जिनसे हम PR की दुनिया की हर बात कर चुके हैं, कर रहे हैं. और अब आपकी फेवरेट कैंपेन्स, क्योंकि एक तो नहीं होगी ऑब्वियसली,
Of course.
उनके बारे में मैं जानना चाहती हूँ हसन, कि कोई ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपने क्रिएट किया. और फेवरेट, ऑब्वियसली इट कुड बी योर फेवरेट बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, और यू मेड द मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी ऑन इट, or you made the clients most happy and yourself. Obviously हर चीज़ का एक mix ही होगा. तो वो क्या
I think, so I'll tell you my favorite campaign, and I'll tell you one of my favorite campaigns, and I'll tell you what I feel the future of this is actually. We launched a merch collection with the top fashion brand in Pakistan, and we collaborated and we launched a collection together. And
top fashion brand कौन सा है पाकिस्तान?
7up Sapphire का जो हमने campaign launch किया था last year. Right, we won multiple awards for it, multiple Effies. We won some international awards for it. It was globally recognized because the numbers, sales numbers, brand love, everything was insane on it. And the way the market, received it was incredible. मुझे लगता है कि PR का future is collaborations. It's collaborations. It's brands collaborating with each other to launch limited edition merchandises, to launch clothing, shoes, bags, rugs, carpets, sofas, things that you need, airline branding. I feel like collaboration is the future.
Yeah, and how functionality can be mixed with luxury, with an experience.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, so I feel collaborations are the future. So this year I've just been collaborating. I've been collaborating with restaurants. I've been collaborating with clothing. I've been collaborating with a home company, which is very, very new, very exciting.
New home company.
No, it's an old home company.
Acha.
It's been around Pakistan for many, many years.
Home. You just spoke about home. How is your home life at the moment? How are you balancing?
ये आप हिना से नहीं पूछिए.
हाँ, लेकिन हिना तो मुझे हमेशा बहुत खुश लगती है. हसन.
We are alhamdulillah very
Mashallah,
happy.
mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
हाँ.
And you know she's been my
pillar of
She's
support.
been my pillar from the very beginning, whether it was dance, marketing, PR, events, parties, anything that I did. Hina said, I got your back.
And was this a love marriage or arranged?
Of course, it was a pure love
आप
marriage.
लोग college days से एक दूसरे को जानते
we
थे ना?
were dating for quite some time before we got married. But it has been a great support. But now I think I've come to a stage in my life where I want to spend more time at home, make more memories at home. हिना कहती है कि बहुत soon तुम्हारे बच्चे तुम्हें uncle बोलना शुरू कर देंगे. So before this call me uncle, I want to spend more time at home.
How old are your kids now, Hassan?
So my twins, Natalia and Abbas, are 14 now, mashallah.
Mashallah.
I got married when I was
14?
21, bro. 21 पे शादी हो गई थी.
क्या बात है.
But my kids are 14 now, very mature. My girl's becoming a little sassy.
And do you take your kids' feedback into account जब वो किसी चीज के बारे में feedback देते हैं?
If it's relevant, absolutely. Absolutely. I feel like you can learn from anyone and anywhere. And it's so good to be connected with the younger audience. And मैं खुद mentally मैं कुछ उन्हीं की age का हूँ. So I like staying connected with them. And it's also helped me a lot in my career. You know, to stay connected with all age groups.
अच्छा, एक really important question coming to my mind is कि एक सेलिब्रिटी या कोई भी इंसान जो इस इंडस्ट्री में पब्लिक स्फेयर में आ रहा है, उसने अपनी इमेज बिल्डिंग करनी है. हाँ, इन नंबर 1 तो कौन से टॉप 2 प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे उसको ज़्यादा एक्टिव होना चाहिए?
TikTok and Instagram.
ठीक है. What about Facebook? No. So if you were to pick 3 celebrities, male and females मिला के, जो आपको लगता है कि बहुत holistically अपनी image branding पे काम करते हैं, वो कौन है? एक तो मुझे पता है कौन है.
Number 1.
तो हानिया है.
Hania, I feel like is doing a fantastic job. She's just so real and so organic. I love it. Aiza, because Aiza doesn't show her kids too much. She doesn't like to show her kids. She likes to show her body of work.
Yeah.
She likes to show what she's working on nowadays. She's big on fashion. Big on fashion. कभी आप उसको शादी के जोड़े में देखेंगे, कभी आप उसको बिल्कुल ही modern vibe में देखेंगे. And I'll always message Aiza. She's so amazing. I'll always message Aiza and I'll be like, man, I love that you keep pushing. Sometimes it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Sometimes the shoot hasn't turned out well. And she knows it also. But she tried it.
She's so hardworking.
She tried it. She's very hardworking, very organized.
And what about 2 guys?
Usama Khan, the actor, and Ali Raza.
Why?
They're young, they're cool. Again, they don't give away too much of their personal life, but their content is so cool and Gen Z, and the way they photograph, it's so organic and low angles and extreme angles, and they make the ugliest of place look cool. They bring rawness and they make rawness cool. It's not about over polished and over beautiful and picture perfect, although both the men are very stylish. Right?
Okay.
And there are very few men in Pakistan that are actors and are that stylish. These 2 boys really bring their style game in. It could just be a t-shirt, but the way it's fitted, the way they've worn it, the way they've styled it and rolled up their sleeve, how they've angled their frame, how they've angled their face.
Okay. I'm going to follow their content.
You must. You love it.
Okay.
You love it, especially because you love style and fashion. Even, the new thing is not a face shot. You know, पहले हम हमेशा एक beautiful face shot जिसमें हर चीज face, नाक, nose, आँख मोड़, lips, हर चीज perfect लग रही है, right? Perfection is not cool anymore.
No, it's not.
Now people want to see real.
Yeah.
They want to see cool. They want to see raw, rough around the edges.
Yeah.
And it makes you feel, it gravitates you.
Relatable.
It's relatable,
Yeah.
right?
Like, I'm so happy to see कि अब वो skin की भी perfection, वो perfect filters हो, वो
Yeah.
एक side पे वो हैं.
Of course.
But then there are people who are breaking that.
And bringing acceptability to it, which is
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Wow, we have spoken about a lot.
Yeah.
We can go on forever.
Of course.
जाते जाते Hassan, I would like you to address your audience. And कोई message जो आप लोगों को देना चाहते हैं या youth को देना चाहते हैं, it's up to you. Whatever you want to say. Maybe the youth
Okay.
and people who are coming into the business for them as a PR guru.
Okay.
You know?
Okay, so love what you do. Be passionate. Believe in it. And back it up with evidence. If you can do this, whether it is PR or marketing or any field that you want to go into, you will succeed. And like my mother says, give it 110%, and the rest is up to Allah.
Amazing. On that note, thank you, Hassan,
Thank you.
for giving us so much time
Thank you.
and for sharing all this valuable
Thank you.
advice and wisdom.
Thank you.
और इंशाल्लाह अब हम किसी अगले इवेंट या किसी अगली कैंपेन पे मिलेंगे.
हरी कैंपेन पे तो हम like, where's Aisha? Where's Aisha? बीमार नहीं हो सकती आयशा.
नहीं. अल्लाह से सबकी हेल्थ को प्रोटेक्टेड रखे इंशाल्लाह.
इंशाल्लाह.
So thank you so much.
Thank you,
और
Aisha.
हम मिलेंगे अगली एपिसोड में. खुदा हाफिज.